Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin did see inflow of cash, which was actually helped by majority of the altcoin. About 72 hours ago, most of the altcoins were going up extremely, while Bitcoin was struggling to go over 95,000. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin made it to the deadly zone between 96 and 97. A lot of traders started expecting the price to get rejected again, but this time around, the things are a little different. Let's just say 2025 started the crypto market in a boom because we were able to climb above 97,000, and now the final thing that Bitcoin has to do to ensure that the next leg has started is just cross 98,000, because that's the final resistance. And most of the other coins such as Dogecoin, you can see, is also breaking a really strong resistance as 34 cents has been captured. On the other end, Dogecoin, if you do not know, just pledged not guilty in the US fraud charges. And that's obviously talking about Terra Luna. IRS delays the crypto tax reporting requirement until 2026. Initially, it was going to be at the beginning of 2025, then end of 2025, and now it's delayed until 2026. And Dogecoin price jumped 7% with the volume hitting 3 billion, and 93% of Dogecoin investors are in profit. Is this the starting of the next leg? Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, so you want the latest and the greatest news first, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just up the YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys what I'm talking about. When it comes to the Dogecoin price, I mentioned how 32 cents was going to be an extreme support that we need to stay close to. And in the last 15 days, that's exactly what Dogecoin's been doing, making sure it stays very close to 32 cents. But now we have broken above 34 cents. We have been rejected at this price multiple times. Not even talking about previously, I'm just talking about this run and this pullback. We got rejected at 34 cents. But as Bitcoin is climbing at 97,000, if Bitcoin clearly clears the 98,000, there is a huge potential that Dogecoin price will climb over 36 cents and go back into the bullish trend that a lot of us are waiting for. One thing that is important for you to pay attention to is the open interest. The open interest was up about 10% yesterday for Dogecoin, and today it's up another 3%. While all that is happening, the long to the short ratio has fallen a little bit in favor of short. I mean, I know it still looks like 74 to 25, but before it was close to 77. So as the price is increasing, there are some long traders which are deciding to take profit. And on the other end, Bitcoin is also showing a lot of strength as it's able to hold the price. If I just refresh this, it should give you perspective that the price is definitely in a positive trend and showing no signs of slowing down anytime soon. Now, this was an interesting update on this case that came today morning. Dogecoin pleads not guilty to US fraud charges. So in the first court appearance since being into the country, Dogecoin has pled not guilty to the US fraud charges in connection to the 40 billion collapse of Luna. The founder of the platform and Terra USD stable was arrested in March of 2023, but ever since, well, let's just say he got into the court, and the court is actually in favor of him. If he's able to keep this going, he can actually get away from this case. And on the other end, IRS delays crypto tax reporting. This is huge because the IRS is trying as much as possible to get people to file their crypto numbers as soon as possible. But right now they are trying to delay as much as possible, as there is a little bit of uncertainty in terms of how everything will play out, and this uncertainty is giving people a little bit extra time to be able to figure out their taxes and how they're going to be filling it out. On the other end, whales have bought over 1 billion Dogecoin just in the last 24 hours, and that's why the market is holding so strong and being able to pump up. Dogecoin price jumped 7%, fueled by a surge in the trading volume to 3 billion as it approaches 50 billion. Now indicates a bullish momentum, with Dogecoin breaking above the red cloud and green cloud forecasting further gains. And DMI reflects strengthening trend, with the ADX at 21.5 and DI dominance signaling a robust buying activity driving the uptrend. And I mean, yesterday, if you guys watched my last video, I showed you guys at least 2 new whales which have purchased over 150 million US dollars worth of Dogecoin just in the last 4 days. So that should give you perspective how much inflow of cash is being experienced by the Dogecoin market at the moment. It's quite impressive. And the estimate leverage ratio across all crypto exchange has climbed to 0.26, the highest level in 2 years. So the leverage is definitely going to be very high, and this can suggest a little bit of a pullback that we can expect. But at the same time, you need to understand, if the market just keeps climbing, a lot of whale buying out opportunity will happen. A lot of people will make a lot of profit, because higher leverage can come with high risk, but at the same time you can make more profit. 1.3 trillion asset manager Morgan E-Trade reportedly explores offering crypto trading. Now that's huge, because you guys know Morgan Stanley is one of the biggest financial firm. I mean, they hold assets up to 1.3 trillion, which is actually nearly the price of Tesla stock, or the market cap of Tesla. And that should give you perspective that they are definitely going to be adding crypto to their trading platform. And if they do that, well, let's just say the amount of inflow that the crypto market is going to experience will be huge. And 400% liquidation imbalance stuns the Dogecoin in overnight rally. I mean, trading activity around the major meme coin of the market recently saw an abnormal activity, and in particular as it became known thanks to the data. An imbalance emerged in the liquidation of Dogecoin futures position when the amount of short liquidated overtook the future figure of long positions by 400%. So clearly suggesting that the market was moving higher, and let's just say the shorts could not keep up. And Switzerland Federal Chancellor registers Bitcoin proposal for the public vote, and the signatures by June 2026 to push the proposal to public referendum. Now, what's really interesting about this that I want to tell you guys is, if you have been paying attention to overall what Switzerland is doing, this is a huge move for Switzerland. If they're able to get 100,000 votes, the country will have a really strong backup. And what I mean by backup is they will have a lot of push in terms of being able to make more profit from the reserves that they will be having of Bitcoin. And Dogecoin is set for an explosive surge as the key patterns turn green. There is a lot of patterns which are turning green for Dogecoin, and that's the reason why the market is doing so well. And Binance expands in Brazil. We talked about this with the central bank giving an approval. So there is a lot of expansion that crypto is receiving. Therefore, there will be more money that will be flowing into crypto. So overall, what you should be waiting for is, we need to just wait for Bitcoin to break the extreme resistance at 98,000. If it's able to do so, most of the altcoins are going to go very explosive, and we're going to be seeing a really good return. Be careful if you're leverage trading. Other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you very soon.